Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name tag on the Splitgate PC game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitgate game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to change your name tag, just click on your username at the top left corner. This will then take you into the logger page. From here, click on your username once again, and now you will end up within your player card. Click on name tag, and this will now show you various different name tags that are available. In order to change your name tag, just click on your preferred one, and you will now see how it looks within your preview. Click on the equip option, and now this will be equipped within your account as your name tag right away. You can change this at any point of time by coming back to this menu and then choosing your desired name tag. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your name tag on the Splitgate PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.